So I'm going to give you some ideas of how to solve this problem that are more practical and more strategic. The first is just changing your mindset, and this will probably make the biggest difference. This is a quote that I really like, and I use it as a mantra. Your customers don't care about you, your products, or your services. They care about themselves. And you have to accept this truth if you want to create customer-centric, engaging marketing content. If you stop and think about this before you send out an email, before you launch an activity or a strategy, I can guarantee that the engagement will increase straight away because you'll have a check to ensure that you're providing immediate and relevant value. The second thing is thinking about our engagement models. Now, I like to use this, which is the marketing flywheel. It's an inbound engagement model. It simplifies things for the people doing the marketing. It's impact-driven, so you measure the success of every stage. And most importantly, it puts the customer at the center.